My name's Gregg Muravchick. I've been living here in Frankfort since 1978 when I started my law enforcement career. Throughout my career, I've had some injuries and some issues that I've had to repair from either athletics and or working. And one of my experiences was coming here to the hospital, having a full knee replacement. Nobody likes to have surgery, of course, but it's just that friendly atmosphere, even from explaining everything, being very detailed orientated, and making you feel welcome and at home. And because at my age, at 60, I'll be 65, and you're concerned, but they very much put me at ease. And then afterwards, from everybody in the recovery room to going up to being admitted into the hospital room where I had to stay at least one night. Nowadays, or prior to, since Frankfort's growth, everybody was going to Lexington or Louisville to do this. And I encourage people, this is our home. They're going to take care of you and provide you with the best professional service and care that they can. And to me, that's what it's all about.